Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you haven't subscribed yet, I need you to go ahead and please subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get this ultimate twist out type 4 hair. Do you see like the definition? Like, I think I shocked myself because when I tell you the struggle has been real to do a twist out, like you don't even know. You don't even know. So kudos to me because the struggle been real. I've been natural for a year and some, like 6-7 months, and this is the first time my twist out came out this good, like first time. So bravo to me. But anyways, I just want to show you how I got this nice defined twist out on type 4 hair. And I love the volume. I love how shiny it is. Like, it came out so good. So if you want to see how I got this bomb twist out, then keep on watching. So I'm working basically on freshly washed hair. I just used a t-shirt to dry it. Now I'm just going to be using this comb to section off my hair. And then I'm going to section it off even more. The leave-in conditioner I'm basically going to be using is my Maui Moisture Curling Cream, which I love. And then I'm going to pair it off with the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Gel, which I love as well. It gave me so much shine after my hair was done. So I basically just flat twisted each section. And I tried to make them decent amount, the size of a decent amount. I noticed that with my hair, because my hair is short, I have to section my twists even smaller to get more definition. Before I would do like 10 twists and think that that would work for my hair, but it does not because my hair is short. I have to twist it smaller. So this time I just basically twisted it a different way that I have never twisted it before as far as sectioning. So I thought that it would work, and it actually really did. So I'm proud of myself for trying out something new. Dinosaur. Ooh, dinosaur, dinosaur. See, dinosaur. Ooh. Show them the little one. Yeah, dinosaur. Okay. See you better now. Say hi. Say hi. Wanna show them this? What else you got? Okay. You want fruit snacks?
Yeah.
Okay. look at the definition. Like, look at them curls and them coils. All right, let's get the little piece out. I'm such a lame. Lame. I must do better. I must do better. But anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Okay. What was that? Let's do that again.